Well, I don't expect you were expecting that. I'll just come out of the shadows. That's a bit better. Yep. Action man in the Barbie boat, which from the feel of it is slowly sinking. Oh yes, that's taken on a lot of water. That's just using my rubber band propeller assembly that I've used on, is it 3 or 4? 3 previous rubber band powered boats. It works fine, and we've just used it on the Barbie boat. The plan is to actually make this a radio controlled boat, so I've just brought it down from my junk pile upstairs so that I can start looking at it to see if we can put an electric motor in there. But I thought I'd just put the rubber band on it so we could get a short video. So, a couple of action men all ready for action. Obviously going undercover, aren't they? This time it's not even hot glued in place, I've just used blue tack, as we call it. It doesn't stick to wet stuff, but if you put it on when it's dry, then it sticks alright. Plan is to have an electric motor in the front here going through the seats, through the back, coming out about here somewhere, and have a rudder coming down from where the outboard motor is supposed to be. That's my plan. Don't know how long it will take me to get to that, but that's the long-term plan.